Hello students, welcome to In 5 Minutes. We'll be starting now type 4, the most important type in complex variable. And you can consider this is the second last topic. There is one more, that is orthogonal trajectory. But out of all topics in complex variable, this is the most important topic. And what we need to do here, we need to find analytic function whose real part or imaginary part is given. Or you can say vice versa. That is, out of this two parts, one will be given, and you need to find analytic function as well as the another part. So that means, so either you can say u will be given, or you can say v will be given. So out of this, any one will be given, and we need to find f of z. So what I do, I'll make a steps for this, which will be easier for you to solve. And this step we need to follow for each sum. So what I can say here, out of this two part, let's consider u is given. I'll be writing steps for u, and similarly we will be working for v also. So let's say solution. Let's define u is given as, obviously it will be function of x comma y. So now I define my step 1. We need to differentiate. I say this as 1. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. So we can write ux is equal to, let's say, as phi dash of x comma y, and we also need to differentiate same with respect to, as I said, x, and also with y. So I can say here uy is equal to phi dash of x comma y. So that's my step 1. So my step 2 is, once you do this by Milne-Thomson method, so we know that we need to put x equal to z and y equal to 0. We need to change this function in total z part. So you can say you'll be getting ux is equal to phi dash of z comma 0 and ui as phi dash of z comma 0. So now step 3, once you substitute this, see, we need to find what? We need to find f of z. Now f of z is nothing but u plus iv. But directly we can't find u plus iv. Instead of that, we will be finding ux and vx. That means it will be getting a form of f dash of z is equal to ux plus ivx. You can get in that form. Since we know, here always we know that we are finding an analytic function. So since f of z is analytic, I can say ux is equal to vy and ui is equal to minus vx. So change this equation. Ux, let it be as it is. So ux is phi dash of z comma 0, but change ui to minus vx. So I can write vx equal to minus of phi dash of z comma 0. Understand, this both functions will be different, because when you differentiate, your answers will be different, but I'm just writing as phi. Now once you did this, you got ux and vx. I say in step 4, you got ux, you got vx, so I can say use ux and vx to get f dash of z. So I can say here f dash of z is equal to ux plus I vx. Now once you get f dash of z, I can say your step 5 will be, we know that if we want f of z, we just need to integrate f dash of z dz, and therefore I can get f of z. Understand students, by getting f of z and again following the same step, that is either putting z equal to x plus iy or substituting z equal to r e raised to I theta, you can find u and v. Once you find f of z, so damn sure you'll be finding u and v, because here we don't only need to find analytic function, but also we need to find the another part. That means if u is given, obviously we need to find v. So at the end, once you find f of z, you'll be finding both, because when you substitute, you'll be getting both. And suppose your u matches with the given u, so that means it's verified that your sum will be right and your v value is correct. So this is an advantage in this sum, that in answer you can understand whether your sum is correct or not. So these were the steps to follow in this type. We'll be going further sums of this in my next video. Thank you for watching video on in 5 minutes.